Hi, my name is Jim Berenson, and I'd like to introduce you to the excavator hopper and ways that you can use it and dump it and move it around and that type of thing. It's great for 8,000 to 12,000 size machines, and I've been testing, and building this for about 4 years now. Just showed a couple ways to grab it. This method you can use to grab the back of the hopper to push it into the back of the flatbed truck and unload materials right out of the truck. This shows an easy way to just turn it around 180 or 360, depending upon how you want to do it. You can carry the hopper either direction, pointing away from you or pointing towards you. You can pass it off to another machine inside a building if you need to, or up a hill, over a fence, materials. Okay, here's a good example of using the blade. How you could get it into a pile. Very, very efficient and fast to load. You can always get a full load since you have full visual view. Since it's not attached, you can always use the machine, do other things, leave your load sitting there waiting to be used as storing materials or whatever. This particular machine is 8,000 pounds. It's about 2/3 of a yard. Anywhere between a half and 2/3 of a yard is a pretty standard load. This is a carry member dump, which is very fast and efficient. Sometimes you need the cable, that's why the cable was installed in the back. So sometimes you can just set it there and dump it. Here's a real good example of how fast and efficient you can load materials. Several fairly large rocks. And with this one quick swing, practically load every one of them. Due to the shape of the hopper, it's shaped similar to a dustpan with the angles, and it just accepts material and just brings it right in. You can reach around anywhere in your 360-degree range of your machine, grab and load rocks or whatever from anywhere on the range, drop it in. Very, very handy. Grab the carry member arm, lift, and take it away. You can use your blade to offset the load, similar way you would do it into a dumpster or over a truck bed. Push it into the piles until it stops. Use the dipper, fill the load. That one last rock in place there. Max out your load. Again, grasp the carry member. And here you have a full load. Pretty close to 2,000 pounds there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm looking forward to